Wait a minute, like Rainbow Brite, like from when I was little, like Rainbow Brite? Oh no, it's Rainbow, and it's also called Bright. I see where I went wrong, but that was really exciting. If this is your first time here, my name's Marie. I'm an English teacher in Southern California, high school English to be exact, in case you were wondering. But normally I am doing like classroom vlogs about what's going on in my classroom and that sort of thing. And I'm going to keep you a little bit updated, but what I did today in my classroom isn't quite ready to be totally explained just yet because we're gonna get into the meat of it tomorrow. But if you saw yesterday's vlog, we are starting the writing process in my 10th grade and my 9th grade English classes. And we have started both like brainstorming to be writing claims. We are doing literary analysis of different novels that we have been studying in each respective class. And so today we started work with mentor texts. We started looking at sample essays, and there's a great pack of mentor texts that I got on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'm gonna tell you all about it tomorrow because we only got a little bit of the way into working with these mentor texts today, and I wanna have a better explanation of what I am doing with it for you and a little bit more complete of a conversation. So that is going to be happening today. I wanted to do something a little bit different and open my March Teacher Care Crate. I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. In case you are not familiar with Teacher Care Crate is something that I found out about just through Instagram, but it is a monthly subscription box specifically curated with teachers in mind and talking about teacher self-care and the whole of the teacher, just like in our classrooms, how we're thinking of the whole of the student. Often, the whole of the teacher then gets left behind. If you are not following them on Instagram, I would say go ahead and do so. If you are not subscribed, maybe treat yourself for teacher appreciation with a little subscription in the next coming months. So let's see what's inside, shall we? I'll give you guys the first peek. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no, things are falling out. Okay, here I go. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So they always come with a little card that has all the information on it, and so this one says get ready for all things rainbow. Oh, I'm ready. Start by checking out your adorable art print from Michaela of Especially Education and lighting your Rainbow Brite, like Rainbow Brite? Wait a minute, like Rainbow Brite, like from when I was little, like Rainbow Brite? Oh no, it's Rainbow, and it's also called Bright. I see where I went wrong, but that was really exciting. Even still, it's still cool. Okay, let me get back to what I was actually reading. And lighting your Rainbow Brite candle from Guideless Candle Company. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, this is so cute. It's got a unicorn. Don't tell my daughter. She loves coins, as she calls them, on top of a cute rainbow, and I love it. I love all things bright and colorful and rainbow. You wouldn't necessarily know it by this classroom because it's so like moody and like coffee feels, but like I love bright colors too. This is gonna make its way onto my wall back over here. It's so cute, and I like that they're like kind of muted. Not pastel, but just like a little bit muted where it doesn't feel like this belongs in only an elementary classroom, and I can totally put it up here and not make it look like, Mrs. Morris, why do you have elementary pictures up in your high school classroom? And then let's see, Bright. I feel like it might be citrusy. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, you guys. There's glitter! There's glitter inside my candle. Can anything be better than that? Oh, and it smells so wonderful. I love citrus candles, and this is like right on the money. That's lovely. It's not like super sweet. It's just kind of like bright and citrusy, and that's probably why it's called Bright. Wow, I'm really winning today, you know that? Okay, next, try on your handmade beaded bracelet from Dots and Dashes, which spells out the word teach in Morse code. That's so cute. I would never have even thought that was gonna spell something out, except that it does say down at the bottom that it spells the word teach. How stinking cute is that? Oh, I love it. Well, that's really cute. I'm gonna put that on right now. Oh no, or I'm gonna throw it. I have man hands, so I always kind of worry. I have very large hands for a woman. I'm also like 5'8", so like I'm not tiny. That's super cute, and it's like really dainty and just really sweet. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's keep going. Challenge yourself to complete a row of self-care bingo. Well, I can already tell you right now, I'm not gonna do very well. This week and maybe even each week for the rest of the school year. So that's this whole little pad of self-care bingo for teachers. And I'm gonna say that Sarah, who makes Teacher Care Crate, made this herself, because first of all, I can see her handiwork, and then at the bottom it says Teacher Care Crate. So like some of the items: eat a healthy meal, leave school on time. Well, I've already failed that one, so I'm not gonna make that bingo row. Say no. Does that include to my toddler? I say that all the time then. Take a nap. Well, that's never gonna happen either. I should probably choose different rows. Practice a hobby. I'm doing that right now. I'm already winning, you guys. Oh, and then it's got some repeats, like drink enough waters, leave school on time. I think I need to practice before I actually play. Your beautiful rainbow of 10 washi tapes. Oops. This is adorable. Is perfect for adorning your teacher planner or hanging up your Teacher Care Crate prints. And I know you're going to love the deliciously cake-scented whipped soap from Soak and Unwind. Throw everything. Let's find something that smells like cake. Because your girl, oh, that already smells good. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. I smell this. Ooh, Soak and Unwind Cake Day Whipped Soap. Look at how cute it is too. It's like a unicorn decided to make soap, and this is what it looked like. Ooh, let's see. Oh, that, it smells like you could eat it. Don't eat it. I won't eat it, but I'm gonna have to keep that away from my kids because my daughter will try to eat that. That smells delicious. All right, well then. Use your citrusy shower steamers from Blue Oak Farm for a refreshing boost, and enjoy your Yum Earth gummy bears when you need a little something sweet. Oh, that is so cool, because I'm not really like a bath person. So like in past Teacher Care Crates, we've had bath bombs, and what I actually do is I just break off little pieces and I put them into like a foot bath so that I'm not using the whole entire bath bomb, because like I don't really take baths. I don't know why. I think it's just part of my like hyper personality. This is cool. So they're for the floor of the shower. And then I love Yum Earth. I always like to get their like licorice at Sprouts when I go. And when I can find it there, they're super good. Now this might be my after school treat right now, in fact. So this stuff is so stinking cute. Thank you, Sarah, for curating, once again, a really cute and just sweet, and I promise I'm going to practice self-care a little bit better. It's really hard, and I know I'm not the only one who has a hard time with self-care, but like, deep cleansing breaths, everything will be okay. And to you all, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you want to get your hands on your own Teacher Care Crate, this is not a sponsored video. This is just, I just really like Teacher Care Crate, and so I like to share my love for these things. This is like my own small act of self-care that I just get myself this like special thing each month, because it makes me really happy when I open up all the cute stuff. And now I have a snack, so I'm gonna start eating my gummy bears. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not already subscribed to the Caffeinated Classroom, take a moment please and do so. Hit that subscribe button, click the like button, and comment down below. If you get Teacher Care Crate, tell me how much you love the things that you got this month. Find some different ways to practice self-care and really just get through the end of the school year, because no matter how much we love our jobs, this time of year is really stinking hard and I'm so tired. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.